Hey guys, I am so excited. Today's gonna be a blast. We're here with Chef James, who has been cooking for 20 years. He has catered hundreds of events. And also, side note, this is so cool, I just learned about him. He walks across countries, you heard me right, and cooks for people along the way. So in 2020, he literally walked from San Francisco to Washington, D.C., and then cooked for people along the way. So this is a chef who has the skills and a really good heart, and he is going to make us some delicious keto meals. I can't wait. I am so hungry. Feed us.
Okay, perfect. We're gonna make a blueberry chia pudding. It's gonna be pretty simple, but really delicious. So let's just jump right in.
Absolutely.
How about that? So first, let's get our ingredients together. So we're gonna use a cup of almond milk.
I love almond milk. It's very smooth. I started using it for like normal milk, even for like some keto cereals that I eat. I love almond milk, of all the milks.
I prefer coconut milk, actually.
Really? Okay.
I think it has a little bit more flavor. Everyone is a little bit different. So we're gonna add a scoop of this blueberry keto mix, blueberry pie keto mix. And we've got the blend tech, which is helping us out. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. You know, I just love chia pudding.
Yeah.
And it's one of my favorite ingredients to work with. So.
And they're really healthy.
It is, absolutely. Okay, so we're gonna put this on for a few seconds. Mix this up really well.
I'm such a girl. My instant thought was I love the color.
Right?
I love blueberry.
Oh, this is such a perfect summer treat.
Yeah.
And we're gonna add a little bit of coconut too.
This just seems like such an easy snack. You just whip that up in like 2 seconds. So
right?
Just an
So
easy,
easy,
healthy, fantastic snack. And for anyone that doesn't know how Chow works, they are a company that truly has made the keto lifestyle so freaking easy. So you saw, those were just like a few ingredients, but we're gonna have 26 grams of protein in this serving right here from 1 scoop of Chow mix. I just love the ease, the protein that you get. It tastes so good. I cannot wait to eat this. So we love celebrating Chow.
And the unsweetened coconut chips are optional, but I love having the added texture to it. So we'll add that. We'll give it a good mix, and then it is ready to go. And this actually doesn't take probably an hour for it to set. So go ahead and pour this in. Okay. For this one.
Looks fantastic. I really believe the key to being successful on a keto lifestyle is to find things that are delicious and to find things that you're excited to eat. Look at this. This is gonna be so fun to eat. I'm excited about it. I don't feel like I'm depriving myself, and I'm getting everything that I need. I'm totally gonna get everything I need.
You know, and the key is just make it really simple. It doesn't need to be complicated.
That was so easy. You did that in like 3 minutes.
Yeah, in fact, let's bring out the finished product here. So this is it. This is after it's settled for about an hour.
Okay.
And should we give it a taste?
Yes.
We have some spoons.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do it.
You just let it sit in the freezer for 1 hour.
Or the fridge.
Or fridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's give this a try.
Ah,
it's good.
that's so good.
Yeah. It's so simple too.
It's not too sweet. I love the chia seeds. I love the texture of a chia seed. And the coconut in there. Oh, I can taste the coconut flakes.
Right.
So good. That is so yummy. Amazing, James. That's so yummy. You saw how easy that was, you guys. And you're literally getting vitamins, minerals, 1% of your carbohydrate, only 1% of fat, 26 grams of protein. That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, and you know what? If you have a party over with other friends that are doing keto, you can set it up like this and makes for a great presentation. That's it.
It's pretty, it's tasty, so much protein, so healthy. Perfection. James, you blow our minds. Well done. So there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more simple, easy, delicious, such healthy recipes from Chef James, we have more videos coming soon, so please stay tuned. Please subscribe. We would love to see more from you. Thank you so much for this. Cheersies.
Cheers.
I'm eating all of this.
Oh, yeah.
All of it. I'm just going to be over here just finishing this.